Your head is the most vulnerable part of your body, so you want it protected during outdoor sports games and activities. The best tactical helmets provide head protection without compromising comfort. They also allow you to attach more accessories to make the task easier. For example, you can attach a flashlight to the helmet to see at night or record everything in your action camera hands-free. Choosing the right tactical helmet for your mission can be an intimidating task and should be taken seriously. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Tactical Helmet. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Emerson Gear Tactical Fast Helmet. ABS material. Lightweight, durable, hard shell design. Simple installation and easy removal, adjustable internal padding, replacement internal pad and headband set available, adjustment rear dial knob for head size adjustment. Velcro panels on right, left, and backside of helmet for morale patches, nameplates and IR/reflective tabs. Side rails fit a variety of accessories, integrated NVG mount compatible with most GoPro NVG style mounts. Number 4. Airsoft Michigan 2000 Tactical Helmet. This airsoft helmet comes with a clear visor which can be easily removed and install. And you can also wear airsoft goggles under it. Adjustable suspender straps and chin straps for best fitting. It's made by high-quality durable ABS plastics. 7 pieces of self-adjustable sponge padding inside make your wearing more comfortable. This tactical helmet comes with a clear visor which can be easily removed and install. And you can also wear airsoft goggles under it. Number 3. One Tigris Michigan 2000 Tactical Helmet. Probably you could not tell what is the key features of this Michigan 2000 helmet quickly from pictures. Let me summarize it with several points as below. Accessory rail connectors provide attachment points for quick attach or release, such as flashlights, camera, visor, etc. 7 pieces of self-adjustable sponge padding inside make your wearing more comfortable. Loop panels around provide extra place to unique your helmet with patch attachment. Number 2. J-Dragon PJ Tactical Fast Helmet. Helmet lightweight but durable, high-quality construction for head protection. Adjustable half-face mesh mask makes it easy to carry. The 2 side rails of the tactical helmet are compatible with other equipment such as goggle strap clips, flashlights, NVG shroud, hook and loop panels allow fitment of patches, IFF, safety lights, and name tapes. Embedded night vision mount is perfect for those looking to affix their night vision system. Bungee retention cord is easily accessible and fastens your devices securely. Number 1. Airsoft PJ Type Tactical Helmet. Airsoft focus on developing airsoft gear and equipments. We have rich experience in airsoft gear and equipments. Include sliding goggles and adjustable chin strap. Side rails fit a variety of accessories, integrated NVG mount compatible with most GoPro NVG style mounts. Great protection for tactical activities /airsoft/paintball. Windproof goggle in front of helmet for protecting your eyes. 8 holes on the top of helmet, breathable and comfortable.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.